Ciao a tutti! In this short grammar video, I'll be explaining the superlatives in Italian, I superlativi. Superlatives are used to express that a person or an object has the greatest or least degree of a quality. There are two different types of superlatives, the relative and the absolute ones. Let's have a look how these work. So the relative superlative, il superlativo, il relativo, they indicates that a person or an object has the greatest or least degree of a quality compared to other objects or people. In English, this is expressed with the most, or the ending est, at the end of the adjective, or the least. So, Gianni is the most intelligent in the class. In Italian, this is expressed by using the structure we have seen for the comparatives, but this time we add the definite article in front of più, or meno, according to the gender and the number of the subject. And so, Gianni is the most intelligent in the class can be translated as Gianni è il più intelligente della classe, or Rosa is the most intelligent in the class, can be translated as Rosa è la più intelligente della classe. As you can see, the article changes according to the subject I'm referring to. As for the absolute superlative, superlativo assoluto, this is used to emphasize that the characteristic of a person or an object without making any comparison. In English, this is expressed with very, really, placed before the adjective. So, Gianni is very cute. In Italian, this is translated by adding the suffix issimo, issima, and issimi or issime to the adjective. And so, Gianni is very cute can be translated as Gianni è carinissimo or Rosa è carinissima. As an alternative, I can also say Gianni è molto carino or Rosa è molto carina. The superlatives or of some adjectives such as buono, cattivo, grande, piccolo can be expressed in two different forms, the regular ones, which are the ones that we have just seen, and the irregular ones. So, for example, for the relative superlative, I can say il più buono or il migliore, il più cattivo or il peggiore, il più grande or il maggiore, il più piccolo or il minore. Same goes for the absolute superlative. I can either say buonissimo or ottimo, cattivissimo or pessimo, grandissimo or massimo, piccolissimo or minimo. It is often the case that either the regular or irregular form can be used, but the irregular forms are more often used in formal language. Review the slides and do not forget to take the quizzes to test your knowledge. Thank you for listening.